The 2026 AI Cashflow Masterclass. Most people think you need a massive following or a year of hard work to make your first dollar on YouTube. They think you have to wait for 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to get paid by AdSense. But let's be honest, AdSense is pennies. In 2026, the real wealth is hidden in a system called AI-driven affiliate marketing. Imagine this. You create a 10-minute video once, and it becomes a digital employee that works for you 24/7. It generates recurring commissions for you every single hour, even while you're asleep, traveling, or spending time with family. You don't need to invent a product, you don't need to show your face if you're shy, and you don't need a $1,000 marketing budget. Today, I am breaking down the exact, high-level blueprint to combine cutting-edge AI tools with high-ticket affiliate offers to build a $100 a day machine from scratch. This isn't just a side hustle. It's the fastest path to financial freedom this year. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a business model that practically runs itself. Welcome back to Capital Blueprint HQ. Here, we don't just talk about the future, we build it. We focus on systems over luck. If you are tired of the 9 to 5 grind and want to turn AI into a full-time income engine, you're in the right place. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's get to work. Phase 1. Choosing the right engine. Most beginners fail because they promote the wrong things. They go to Amazon Associates to promote a $20 book or a kitchen gadget. You get a 3% commission once, and then it's over. To make $100 a day there, you need to sell to a stadium full of people every day. That's exhausting. In 2026, we focus on SaaS, software as a service, affiliate programs. Why? 2 words, recurring commissions. When you promote an AI tool, like a video editor or an AI researcher, you aren't just getting paid for the referral. You get a piece of their monthly subscription fee for as long as they stay a customer. If they stay for 2 years, you get paid for 2 years from one single click. This is how you build a predictable, monthly income that grows like a snowball. You aren't looking for customers, you are building a portfolio of subscribers. Now, let's get specific. You need tools that people actually need and keep. Here are my top 5 picks that can get you to that $100 a day goal faster than anything else. Number 1. InVideo AI. This is the ultimate tool for the content creation boom. It turns a single prompt into a full HD video. They offer a 25 to 50% lifetime recurring commission. Think about it. Every YouTuber, business owner, and educator needs video. One signup can pay you for years. Number 2. Perplexity AI. The Google killer. People are tired of ads on search engines. Perplexity provides direct answers. As this becomes a daily habit for millions, being the one who introduced them to the pro features is a goldmine. It's high retention, meaning people rarely cancel. Number 3. Jasper and Copy.ai. These are the heavy hitters for businesses. Marketing agencies use these to write thousands of ads and blogs. Because these are B2B tools, the price points are higher. A few high-level business referrals can replace a part-time job. Number 4. Leonardo AI. We are in a visual-first economy. Leonardo allows anyone to create professional-grade art and design. From architects to t-shirt designers, the use cases are endless. Its cool factor makes it one of the easiest tools to go viral with. Number 5. ElevenLabs. This is the gold standard for AI audio. In the world of faceless channels and audiobooks, ElevenLabs is the king. Their partner program is incredibly generous, and once a creator integrates this into their workflow, they never leave. Phase 2. Building the bridge. This is where 99% of people get it wrong. They spam links in comments. That is not a business. That's a nuisance. To make real money, you must provide value. We use Perplexity AI to find pain points. Don't just say use this tool. Instead, find out what keeps your audience up at night. Ask the AI, what are the 5 biggest struggles for new entrepreneurs in 2026? If the answer is losing time on social media, your video should be how to automate 1 month of content in 1 hour using InVideo AI. You identify the problem, you show the pain of the old way, and then you reveal the magic AI solution. When you solve a problem, the viewer doesn't feel like they are being sold to. They feel like they are being saved. Phase 3. High-ticket production. This is where we use the tools to promote the tools. We use InVideo AI to create the actual video. But here is the secret cloak. Do not make it look like an advertisement. People hate ads, but they love masterclasses and reviews. Your video should feel like a look over my shoulder tutorial. Inside your InVideo prompt, tell the AI to create a professional masterclass style video. Use high-quality screen recordings of the software in action. Use a trust-inspiring, calm male voiceover. Add captions that highlight the time-saving benefits. And here is the psychological trick. Use a call to value. Instead of saying, "Click my link," say, "I've reached out to the team and secured a special trial for my community. You can find that exclusive link in the description." Now, clicking your link is a benefit to them. Phase 4, the traffic explosion. You have a great video, but you need eyeballs. To reach $100 a day, you need a multi-channel approach. Long-form YouTube is your trust builder. This is where the big sales happen. But to get people there, you use Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels as your hook. Take the most mind-blowing 30 seconds of your AI-generated video, the part where the tool does something that looks like magic, and export it as a short. Add a pinned comment, full masterclass, and discount link in the description. One viral short can send 100,000 people to your link in 48 hours. Even with a tiny conversion rate, that's dozens of new recurring commissions in a single weekend. This is how the math of wealth works. The only reason people fail at this is the consistency trap. They post one video, don't get 1 million views, and quit. The YouTube algorithm is an AI itself. It needs data to know who to show your video to. Commit to this: 2 high-value review videos per week for 90 days. If you do that, it is mathematically difficult to not make money. The machine is in your hands. You have the niche, the tools, and the strategy. Now, pull the lever. If you want my personal list of the top 5 highest-paying AI affiliate programs for 2026 with the direct sign-up links, comment money below. Subscribe to Capital Blueprint HQ, and let's dominate this year together. I'm your host, and I'll see you in the next masterclass. Now, go out there and build your blueprint.